Good afternoon once more, Watauga. It is Friday, September 18th, 2020, and time for another update. I missed last week's update, so today's numbers will reflect a 3-week period. Tarrant County, we've now had 46,150 positive cases. That's a 21-day increase of 2,213, which is down from 2,902 the previous period. And that's a much improved daily average of 105, which is down from the average of 275 that same previous period. 282 new cases today, 620 deaths, and 40,575 recoveries. Hospital bed utilization for COVID patients is at 6.1%, with an overall hospital bed utilization at 72%. Watauga's numbers: 332 positive cases now, with 296 recoveries, and fortunately, still only 3 deaths. Tarrant County, we remain at number 4 in the state for positive cases, and still number 18 in the nation. Our fatality rate is at 1.3% now. An age breakdown on the numbers: 25 to 44 make up 5% of the positive cases. 45 to 64 make up 24%, and 65 and older make up the bulk of the positive cases at 71%. Overall, though, our numbers are much improved and still trending downward. Masks, social distancing, and hygiene, those are the key. Now, I have spoken with several citizens and received numerous emails from others recently about the mask mandates and enforcement. I will tell you that overwhelmingly there's more people that reach out to me in favor of the masks than there are that are not. But just to be clear, I have no authority as the mayor to override the governor or the county on their executive orders and their mandates. And my oath of office requires that I abide by them whether I agree with them or not. As for enforcement, Watauga has had 0 citations to businesses for noncompliance. And as I visit businesses, which I visit many of them weekly, I see almost 100% compliance from the citizens. So thank you for that. Looking at the numbers, the masks are helping. So please continue with the mask, observe your social distancing, and avoid crowds whenever possible, because it is making a difference. Texas, we remain at number 2 in the country for new cases, with 710,556 new cases, total cases, 14,910 deaths, and 594,816 recovered. Nationally, we're at 6,780,553 total cases, 200,985 deaths, and 3,659,384 recovered. The Care for Tarrant program, that's Care for Tarrant, still going on. Started, as I've said, with $209 million in relief funds. See the Tarrant County website for more details. You may be able to apply for it. Also, Tarrant County, we're looking at a second round of financial assistance for the CARES Act. And on September 2nd, President Trump announced a 4-month eviction moratorium. And that's a good thing. As a reminder, schools are back in session, and we did have an accident near Whitley Road Elementary on Wednesday, and fortunately they were only minor injuries. So please be alert in the school zones, around buses that are loading and unloading. Kids will dart out from just about anywhere, so please be careful. City services essentially remain the same. Library is still curbside, and we are still looking at the 27th of September to open back up to the public. Workout facility at the rec center, still members and day passes. And our animal shelter, they still have some leftovers from the Clear the Shelter week. With that, I will remind you once more, family, friends, and neighbors, that is what makes Watauga a great place to live. Thank you, and have a great weekend.